What's up, y'all? It's John Master Lee. If you're coming to Vegas in 2019, you definitely want to go and check out the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, because soon it will be gone, gone, gone.
So this hotel is no longer going to be called Hard Rock Hotel?
That's right. This landmark casino has been purchased by Richard Branson and his Virgin crew, and it will be converted into a Virgin property. So they're going to keep it open until September.
Yeah, because in the first time they said something, it was gonna stay open during renovations, and they would just close off sections of the hotel and do it that way, close it off, move on all the way through. But I think they decided that it'd just be a lot easier to close it down.
This rock and roll mecca opened in 1995. It quickly became a landmark here in Vegas. And of course, this hotel's famous for all the musicians and rock stars that have come here to jam over the years.
They're probably going to sell it, right?
They're gonna put all this stuff on Craigslist, Lulu. That's what's gonna happen.
I bet you it's gonna happen. So all this will be gone.
Yep.
Do you know that? Michael Jackson.
Now, the reason why you want to come before this hotel is completely renovated is because it's got one of the most impressive collections of rock memorabilia in the United States. And all this stuff is free to check out as you roam around the casino. This was a hotel that was infamously destroyed in the movie Con Air. And if you remember, in the climactic final scene, the gigantic cargo plane basically flew right into the giant guitar that you can see right outside the hotel.
Hold up, John. John, I need money. This is how you rock.
So this place is off the Las Vegas Strip, so you do need to take a car to get here. And just so you aren't confused, there is a Hard Rock Cafe on the Strip, which is just a restaurant.
My type of tacos.
Do you know what a pink taco is? Want me to show you what a pink taco is? Alright, Lulu. This is the pink taco. Now, is rock and roll dead? Man, rock will never die. But the thing is, Vegas is always evolving, and new things are always coming along. And it just seems like a casino dedicated to rock and roll is stuck in a bygone era. All right, y'all, it's John Masterly signing out. Rock on, baby. Woo!